Welcome to Dr. Quip, 24/7 doctor for your medical equipment. Today, we're showcasing the Aeonmed VG70 ventilator, designed to provide optimal respiratory support. Overview. The Aeonmed VG70 is a high-performance ventilator that supports both adult and pediatric patients. Let's dive into its key features. Advanced ventilation modes, volume-controlled, pressure-controlled, and SIMV modes for flexible patient care. Intuitive touchscreen interface, quick adjustments and monitoring for fast-paced environments. Portability and mobile use, lightweight design with rechargeable battery for easy transport. Easy maintenance and low downtime, simple cleaning and servicing to ensure reliability. Customizable settings for patient comfort, adaptive support for personalized, comfortable respiratory care. Let's check out its accessories. 1. Oxygen tubing, delivers oxygen from the ventilator. 2. Patient circuit, tubing and connections for ventilated air. 3. Power cord, provides electrical power when not using the rechargeable battery. Our reusable bacterial viral filter, filters harmful particles for safe ventilation. 5. Pressure relief valve, protects from excessive airway pressure. 6. Transport trolley, stand, facilitates easy movement of the ventilator. And replacement filters, maintains performance and cleanliness. Looking to get your hands on the Aeonmed VG70 ventilator? Dr. Quip offers competitive pricing, fast delivery, and excellent customer support for all your hospital equipment needs. If you're interested in purchasing, feel free to contact us at 822-83325.